That's it.
You don't have to fight fire with fire. Not today. Not today.
That's how when you make money, ton knows of money. You still have buy fuck. You still run behind, man. You still not no moral. How much money you make? You make a ton more to steal money. You still have buy fuck.
All right, Jay, let's say something. Let's say something here. Let's say something here. Don't answer her for a week and see what you're gonna do. 1 week, just don't, no matter what. See what happens. Just avoid her for 1 week and see what happens. Just anything she come and say, you don't answer. Say whatever she wants to say and see what happens.
Yeah, shit keep my space, girl. We don't know sir, Sheryl and Max, yeah, but Sheryl and Max, when they show to your belly, girl. You shit keep my space, girl. Eh? Plus, you have one next one. Bitch. I come to you, and every time you see me, my man, everybody knows it's not your man. Max say your man, and Sheryl. I say me in chat.
Your chat just as mixed up as you to rat. If them ever chat, don't do that.
Where am name chat?
Chat don't follow him, please.
Some Sheryl business are Jeremian. You no liar, say. Me say me lie. I'm lie. But. And every time you see me, no man, I get a little shit keep now. Be upset with no, set 17. Set it. And she know, she knows that all in her head, she want like the end, and 17 not real life, but true she knows how I play things, see her face, huh? Alright, let's come over here, let's go here, sir. Blood clot, fuck your one. You know, no fuck forget, girl. Go one side, mom.
Is that the grill, man?
Mom.
Is that the grill?
Yeah, the grill will take time, go on. You see, the man don't feel sorry for you and up you up already. When the man have to fight himself, right? You understand? The man gonna go through the yard, you know? The crawl in his skin just to hug you. You come talk about cook body, you know? Hey, move. Whoa. Ma! Come there with this. That's it. Yeah. You understand? Yo, Max! That's it.
I can't.
So come go on and make you want trick you.
Jake, let us do that.
Yeah. And Sheryl has stressed you out.
Make sure she going to go crazy because I'm not paying her much money. Come on. She have a long way to go. She going to go crazy. She have a long way to go. So leave her make she go crazy over there. Listen, focus out here. Let us deal with the
drop asleep Sheryl in your brain. Wake up back to Sheryl in your brain. So Sheryl live in your head rent free.
Yeah.
Sheryl live in your brain rent free. You don't think of the kids like you think about Sheryl.
But you see, she get the time with her son and she spend the time talking about Sheryl. It's crazy, man. But anyway, give her too much time now. You're not going to spend 3 hours on her like what she did last night. 3 hours.
You wake in the morning, the first thing you do, you call the crisis people on WhatsApp, shit on them and munch them. Because you be a free call name. You understand? Saddam and Munchy, Batman Toto, and crying girl Angela. Then you call first. You don't check on the kids. Come and take a Shanta phone so you can call Barbara. You understand? At night before you go to your bed, you call them. A man when you wake up, you call them because they don't live with you. Focus for your kids, bitch. Focus for your kids. You understand? They can't they're in your life, then the hours and the bad 2 children and the man in your life, you call dirty front Angela. Stink front Angela, you know that one this she?
Hey, hello, hello, hello,
I feel like say.
hello. Not today.
Now for this because I'm not tell her say take time out with your youth. Tell her say stop focus on the dirty boy and focus on your picnic then. You understand? Focus on your man and your picnic then. Stop focus on the dirty boy, the dirty junker. Stop focus on him and talk about him because it make no sense. You know? Focus on Shanta and Barbara and your shit key. You see, them not tell her. Sister tell me about my fire and the world can't forget it. Yeah. Sheryl and the whole of them, Sheryl, which one in the whole of them never fuck with the one who left her, who not left her. I don't business about who left her, who gone left her, the whole of them. Because there's nobody in them disagreement, and no, they will not bring down me and you. Yeah? So all of them Shakita and them Sheryl and them Bray. What you feel like say? All of them going up their mother.
All right, drink some water. Let me see after something. Drink some water. Have some water.
You feel like say brother?
All right, Jay, we're not going to do this right now. Let's focus now. Drink some water. Drink some water. Water. I who said somebody up in our business? Who really text that a while ago? Said all up in our business. And that's why people hungry so with you know, because we don't know what the shit that you pass. What in our business? What business people in? Calm down now, Jay. So not talk about them today. Please, just leave it alone today. Please. Drink some water and calm down. You see, things don't affect me like that because if it's not true, it's not gonna bother me. Whatever Rose want to come up with and make up about Sheryl, I don't give a fuck. She can talk whatever she want to talk. Because she just shame of what is happening now. And that's all I have to say. We don't need to come here to answer back Rose every time. For what reason? She said the amount of thing what she said about me last night. What should Sheryl do with all that information now? What I must do with the information? Wake up this morning and click my live and argue with her? That's too much attention. What am I give her that attention for? Like Sarah? Too much attention, man. She's crashing out. Leave her, make she crash out. That's what sometimes some people do. That's her way of breathing.
Good. Grill them, grill them install.
All of them?
Yeah.
In and out?
Well, the window grill, I'm not put
Okay.
them. So it never the oven them thing.
Got it, got it. Yeah.
It's me.
So all those inside installed now?